time for some car stuff. I've got a few projects on the go at the moment. One is a VR, 1994 VR Commodore Ute. It was just a Buick V6 Auto. I was gonna chuck a turbo on it and just skid it and rev the absolute shit out of it, but I thought, bugger that, let's do something a bit different. Everyone's doing LS and Barra conversions and things like that, so I thought I'd go ahead and stick a big block in the Commodore. It's 4-bolt main, 454, yeah, intake manifold, just a Holly. I will put a cam in it and probably sort of thinking about maybe sticking a gear drive kit in it. I've started doing the radiator and just got some AU, EV, Falcon thermos. Still got a fair bit to do. Started doing on the firewall. There's usually a big sort of gutter that goes across there. I've sliced all that off and cleaned it up a little bit. Just clearance for the distributor and things like that. Put a few plates over here. I'm going to obviously clean those up a bit better. I do have some engine mounts. I just got these online the other day. It's just a small block, big block mount, universal mount. Pretty easy, just got to weld those up. Got some gussets there. They go on. It's from these guys. I think they're down near Brisbane there somewhere. Yeah, made in Australia, so that's all good. What else we're gonna do? I've got a 2-speed power glide in there already. It's got billet internals. I think it's got it's full manualized. It's got turbo 400 input shaft, main shaft, that sort of thing. I think they reckon it's good for about 700 horsepower. Guy down in Brisbane built that for me, so that's all good. So hopefully that should be alright. Just got some World Pro wheels, I think they're called. Gonna try and stick some real fat ones under the bum. Paint, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there yet, but interior, it's gonna be pretty standard. Just got B&M ratchet shifter in there, nothing too flash. I just want to make it usable, so it's, yeah, just go out and have some fun in it. After I do the engine mounts, I will do the sump, modify the sump, and then start on the exhaust. Exhaust is going to be a bit tricky, but no, it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, it's just all about getting out there and having a bit of fun. So that's my little project. Still got a bit to do, but no, it'll be all good. Bit of the workshop, bit grubby, but anyway. Alright, and this is the wife's little project, mighty boy. Just Just a neat little car. We're going to do some pretty wild custom paint on it. I think we're going to do like a black base with like a pearl over the top with some flake in it. And I've got another Commodore under the cover there. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but anyway, do something with it one day. So there we go. There's a little bit of, well, a little bit of car action, I suppose. I might fit these engine mounts up later, and I might do a video of that, mounting those in. I've got the motor sitting exactly where I want it. I've used the original automatic cross member for the gearbox. It just bolted straight in, which was awesome. So that's all good. That's it under there. So it just bolted straight up to the power glide. Sits really good. Alright. Just your automator taco and that in it. I'll put some new carpet and things in it, tidy it up. I made the shifter fit into the original console, sort of make it look nice and standard inside, nothing too flash. So yeah, there we go. I want to try and have this done this year. I can't work on it full time, like flat out. So I'll just sort of work on it when I can. Not a millionaire, so I you know, only spend money on it every now and then when I can. Try and do everything myself. That's paint, fitting everything, making everything. So yeah, should be good fun. Get it going, just take it to the local skid pads and that, and I wouldn't mind taking it to power crews and things like that. That'd be cool. We'll see how we go. But to start, just keep on going with it. Alright, too easy.